Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about SWE because we are getting quite a little bit of a sell-off here, and I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. Is SWE going to break down? Are we at a very, very nice level here? Are we about to moon? Is it going to rebound? We're going to talk about that, so please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. Okay, so over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I say, why have you done this? I'm just joking around, but we're selling off a little bit, you know? End October on a down note. And we're going to take a look at monthly candle closures because it is important. Candle closures is very important when it comes to technical analysis, guys. And we are breaking down a little bit. We did just barely break below $70,000 as of recording of this video. But does that mean it's over? No, it does not mean it's over. But I am prepared for some big moves here, guys. So let's take a look over at SWE right now. First of all, fear and greed sitting at 66. I have a feeling that after today, this is going to drop down a little bit more where that fear kind of starts to cook up a little bit, maybe get down to the, I don't know, maybe 50, 55, especially if this sell-off continues to make a move to the downside. But SWE, although the market is selling off right now, note after Bitcoin making a big move to the upside, SWE still is positive on the weekly, guys, up 1.6%. It's pretty incredible, just barely below $2. It is showing strength. It is reminding me of Solana. I keep saying that. SWE reminds me of how Solana moved in 2021, in 2020. It was a market outlier. It was just always strong. There was always strength behind it. And I'm starting to see that kind of play out here. I would not be surprised to see SWE continue to make big moves to the upside, even, I would almost say, exaggerated moves or leveraged moves versus Bitcoin. But guys, Bitcoin dominance, we got to talk about Bitcoin dominance because Bitcoin dominance is rallying even more, exactly as I predicted. We're going to take a look at that. But SWE right now, sitting at $1.97, a $5.46 billion market cap. Selling off a little bit, but still positive on the week. Pretty incredible. I drew up this one little line to be paying attention to when we're looking at SWE here is basically, guys, you know, as long as we stay above, say, when we're talking weekly candle closure, above $1.85. Right now we are at $1.86. Playing it pretty close, but as long as we stay above that on weekly candle closing basis, you know, this is just support. We're going to probably bounce off it as long as Bitcoin decides to play nice here. But there's a lot of people spooked out right now just because uncertainty leading into the election. You know, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback, and maybe that's what we are seeing right now. But guys, I am a SWE bull. You look at market cipher as well. You have constant money flow increasing right here. That'd be awesome if it did go that high. But we would really have to see a huge influx of liquidity coming into altcoins. Really have to see Bitcoin dominance break down to see SWE make moves like that. But guys, I still am a SWE bull. As long as Bitcoin is playing nicely, 10x. I believe in a $50 billion market cap for SWE, and I've positioned myself. I have my position in SWE. You know, it takes a lot to make me excited about a coin, especially this late into the market cycle, and to really chase, if you will. And SWE sold me. SWE sold me. I bought some SWE. I have a position, and I'm prepared to see some big moves and take some profits. That's the name of the game, guys. And guys, if you think that SWE is going to go to the moon, or you think that the top is in, I know that sounds crazy, and you think we're going to break down here, and you guys want to leverage long it or leverage short it, please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. All you got to do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit, and you get a bunch of free money. They have lots and lots of meme coins, lots and lots of crypto that you can leverage trade with. Please leverage trade at your own risk, though, guys. It is very risky, but it is a very, very useful tool when you use it correctly. And I like to use Blowfin to trade around some meme coins, leverage trade some meme coins for fun. If I want to be a little bit degen and go to the crypto casino, that's something I like to do sometimes. But let's take a look at the overall market right now. So Bitcoin just barely below $70,000, guys. Down 3.29% on the day. But something I want you to pay attention to right now, big thing to pay attention to right now, is we are basically sitting at 61% Bitcoin dominance level. Okay? Been talking about this for a while now. I believe that the top is between 60 and 63% for Bitcoin dominance, and after we see that play out, I expect to see Bitcoin dominance break down and see a massive altcoin season. We just need to make sure that Bitcoin keeps this upward trajectory going on. We do not want to see it break down. If we see it break down, then we're going to have to zoom out and really pay attention and really pick this apart and look at this through a different angle and see where we headed here. But as of right now, guys, this little bit of a sell-off is not spooking me. It's not changing my analysis at all. It's just a little bit of a pullback. That's all. When you look at Bitcoin as well, you can see we're still breaking above this broadening wedge. We have daily candle closures above it. On the daily, you can see we also have a green dot buy signal on market cipher. Money flow is curling up. You look at the weekly shows a little bit of a different picture, guys. It does. The weekly really shows that we are making a broadening wedge. It's really actually fascinating, especially if you go out to a wick-to-wick basis. But if you don't, you can see there is a chance. There's always invalidations when it comes to trading, guys. There is a chance that we do get invalidated here on the weekly and we reject off of that resistance. We do not want to see that happen. If we do, then risk is to the downside. And I know people don't want to hear that, but there's always invalidations when it comes to trading. And if we do see that, then we see SWE, we see all the market probably sell off. We probably see Bitcoin dominance rally to 63%, in my opinion. You know, I've been talking a lot about how I expect Bitcoin dominance to rally to 63% on a breakout to the upside. But a quicker way to see Bitcoin dominance top out would definitely be a swift breakdown here. It's important we talk about that. I think we're definitely not, I'm not a bear right now, I'll put it to you that way. The risk is still to the upside. We still have 3 days and 4 hours on the weekly candle closure basis. Let's look at the monthly really quick as well. Monthly shows the monthly is not really, we need to wait for the monthly candle closure, which is in 3 hours and 13 minutes. And I really want to see monthly candle closure above $70,000, guys. We're playing with it. We're playing with 70K. If we can get a monthly candle closure above 70K, then these pullbacks are opportunities. These pullbacks are just time to probably buy the dip. And honestly, guys, if we do see a further pullback here, I'll probably be buying some more SWE. I like SWE underneath $2. My main position size, I believe my average cost basis is about where we're at right now, $1.86. So if we dip a little bit more, I'll probably buy more, to be honest with you guys, unless there's a big red flag for us to be looking at for Bitcoin. But guys, Q4 is bullish. You're going to see sell-offs. You're going to see pullbacks. But you got to be patient. Got to be patient, guys, because these moves to the upside are going to happen sooner than you think. And there's just a little bit of uncertainty going on in the overall markets. A lot of earnings misses in the traditional market, bringing crypto down with it. Like the S&P 500 sold off today. And you guys know when the overall market sells off, it's usually a yin and yang, if you will, and the crypto market sells off with it. But that's all I got for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that we are going to break above this yellow line above $70,000 on a weekly closure? Maybe. I hope so. I really hope that we do see that, because if we do, then it really shows that the strength is to the upside, and then these sell-offs are opportunities. But let me know in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.